6 feet long. He's got 44 gallons of jet fuel on board. He uses 35 every time he runs. 0 to 400 miles an hour in 9 seconds. You heard me right. Now, he's got that engine fired up down there, moving out. Watch for the flame. Listen to the sonic boom. See the smoke of the Smoke and Thunder jet car. 2 14-foot ring slot parachutes to bring the jet car to a stop. Steve Ulrich, his crew chief, in the yellow Corvette out there. We'll go out and assist him to launch the jet car. Sonic booms as the fire jumps 75 feet out of the back of the Smoke and Thunder jet car. Front wheels 15 inches in diameter. They're only 5 inches wide. Rear wheels also 15 inches in diameter, the same size, but they are 10 inches wide. Look at the fire. Smell the smoke. Hear the thunder of the jet car. Bill Brock at the controls. We have a North Carolina State Trooper stationed down at the end of the runway with a radar gun. He'll let us know exactly how fast Bill Brock ran today here in Winston-Salem. He'll go down to the left, set down there behind the aircraft, and then launch. The speed. A couple of more pops and booms and smoke as he gets ready to start this run. I'm not going to talk because I want you to listen to the sound of the jet car. Bill Brock at Smoke and Thunder. Whoa! He let it all out today because he's got a long, long runway. There goes Steve Ulrich. What do we get, George? 348. For you folks who think that that is fast, you have not seen my wife on I-40, have you?